This video will show you how to generate the QR code for free. So here on the Google, just write for QR code generator and just click on this page. And here you can create a QR code for URL, phone, even for the Wi-Fi. For the Wi-Fi, you just have to go and type your Wi-Fi name and a password and download the QR code. That's very famous right now. And you can also create a QR code for the email, PDF, and the text message as well. So here today in this video, we'll see for the URL, and I'll just write scan me and just put your link, whether it can be for the YouTube, Facebook, any QR code you can generate from the link. So click on that. Then here you can see the QR code is already generated. If you are happy with that, just click download. Or if you want to modify, then just go here and choose different pattern, whatever you like. You can do like this as well. You can change the background if you want to change the color. So if you want to add any logo, for example, Facebook like this, then if you want to add a frame like this, you can also write what do you want me to write over here, like QR code or scan me. So once you write that, then click on download and your QR code will be downloaded. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. If you found the video helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. I will see you in another video.